Bedrock is now available for the Ford Ranger. Let's go check out the fit. As with all of our liners, these are custom made to fit your exact vehicle. The car I got behind me is a Raptor, but these same liners will fit just the same in your normal Ranger as well. This is a bucket style design, which means that it goes up the transmission tunnel, over your footrest, under your pedals, and over your door sill as well. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. The other really cool thing about our liners on the driver's side, you've got these retention fittings which are simply plug and play. You pop them in, they'll clip straight into your OE fittings and stop any movement forwards and backwards as you get in and out of your car. Okay, so the piece I've got with me now is the rear liner. The first thing you'll notice about it, it's a single piece design, which means there's no gaps, no joins. It extends from the door sill, over the transmission tunnel, and right out over the other door sill in the same bucket design as the front. So anything that leaves your feet will leave the car. The other really cool thing about this liner is that you've got this extra protection that goes under your front driver and your front passenger side. That just gives that extra little bit of peace of mind to know that no dirt is going to get underneath there and destroy your carpets. So just like with your front driver, your front passenger liner gives you a bunch of great protective benefits. First off, it's a bucket design. So that means that it goes up the transmission tunnel, goes underneath the dash and right over the door sill as well. So any dirt, any liquid that leaves your shoes will leave the car. If you need more information or want to grab a set for yourself, head over to fitmycar.com.au or in store at Autobarn and Opposite Lot.